In this video, I will show you how to generate a QR code for your personal information or links. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. You are going to search QRCodeGenerator.com, and once you have signed up, you will then see a page like this. And when you are ready, you are going to tap the green plus sign in the top right corner. You can then select what you would like to create, a vCard Plus, PDF, social media, images. So we are simply going to do a website. You can then type the website link. So we are going to say youtube.com and then select create. You can then customize your design and then select complete your code. Once your QR code has downloaded, you can then send it to people or print it, and when people scan it, they will be sent to the link or the contact information that you have inputted. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.